Hello and welcome, Steamon here. Today I'll show you how to install apps from unknown sources on your Amazon Fire TV. So why may you need to install apps from unknown sources? For example, you can use it with your downloader app, which you can use to jailbreak your device. By the way, I have a tutorial on jailbreaking a Firestick in 2022, so make sure to watch it if you're looking to do so. And now let's see how we can turn on the developer options and then allow the Firestick to install apps from unknown sources. So first of all, let's go to settings, then go to my Fire TV, and here you're either going to see the developer options. However, there's also a chance that you won't see the developer options feature. In that case, firstly go to about, select the My Fire TV stick, and then press your select button for 7 times. As you can see at the bottom, it says no need, you're already a developer. In your case, it's going to say that you have enabled the developers mode. After that, go back a bit, go to developer options, turn on the ADB debugging, and of course allow your Fire TV stick to install apps from unknown sources. So here you can enable that feature for downloader, Aptoid, or pretty much any app store that you may want to. And it's basically that simple. So if the video was helpful, make sure to hit the like button and of course subscribe my channel for more tutorials on your Fire TV device. Have a good one.